Hello, everyone. So I'm back with another update. So I managed to get the filter functionality working for all of the filters. Woohoo! So first, I'll just show the sort. So by default, lowest first is just how the products will automatically be loaded to the page. But now select highest first, and you can see 999. And then remember that shirt was like 799. It's already all the way at the bottom. And then you can also sort by A to Z. That's the product name. So Acer, and then look all the way to the bottom, W. And then you can sort from Z to A. So W is at the top, and then A is at the bottom. All right, and then if you hit the reset filters button, there it goes. It goes back to the default. And then you can also filter by category. So there's 4 categories: jewelry, you got all the jewelry, electronics, women's clothing, and then men's clothing. By default, it's all, so it shows everything. And then here, I just go back to all just so you can see better. For price, I mocked eBay's website. They're like one of the very few websites that I could find that still had the checkbox and not the price range slider. Because my idea is, for whatever reason, someone may want to look at like certain more than one product range price rather than just having to search one by one. So, or just multiple price ranges, so that makes sense. So 0 to 49.99, 7.99 is the lowest one, and then 39.99 is the highest. And then say I changed my mind. Say I want to look up $100 to $149.99 plus $0 to $49.99. So here, $39.99 was that last one, and now look, 100 to 114. So it skipped all the ones in the middle. And then say I changed my mind, I want to uncheck it and just show 0 to 49.99 like originally, excuse me. Oh, there you go. And then say I want customer ratings that are 4 stars in the 4-star range. There you go. And narrows it down to just 4 stars. And just to be on the safe side, let's click on this shirt. Look at that. 4.5 stars. And now go back to all products. Let's check this one to make sure. Same thing. 4.5 stars. Back. This one's 4 stars. Now go back. Say I want to do 3 and 4 stars. Now look, we got more added on. And remember, this ring wasn't up there before. So let's click on it. Look at that. 3 stars. And then say I want to do highest price first. Now it's flipped. So now $39.99 is what's up high, and $7.95 is what's at the bottom. Say I just want to look up women's clothing now. So like all these filters still apply no matter what order that you do. So how I implemented this is the filters are saved as an object in the state. I use Context API, by the way. And I also use reducer. So instead of using a bunch of use states, I just have a reducer for each type of context, just to keep everything in their own little compartment, basically. So as you change a filter, it's saved in the state. And then when you change something else, you automatically start with all the products. And then as you add a new filter, that just gives you more criteria to filter through each time an on change is fired, basically. So that's why all these still apply no matter what you press on. And then say I change my mind, I don't want any of these filters, click the reset filters button, and look at that. Everything's unchecked except for the all category, and we're back to where we started. Thanks for watching.